Now let's just see the next question. Question number 2, which says that AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB and show that CD bisects AB. Actually, there is a figure which is related with this question. Let us suppose if I'm just forming the figure for this one. So this is the actual figure for this question. We have this as AB. We have this as the two sides. So this is A, this is D, and this is nothing but C, B, O, perpendicular, and we have given that AD and they are the equal perpendiculars. So actually this is the figure. So let us suppose if I'll write it over here in the figure. So this is the figure which is actually given to us with this question, that we have this figure and we have to show that CD bisects AB. We have to show that CD bisects AB. So if I'm just looking at this figure, I just have to show that CD bisects AB, which means that I have to show that OA is actually is equal to OB. So it is quite an easy thing for us to show that OA is equal to OB. So let us suppose if I'm just starting with the solution of this one. So first of all, you can see that we have the two triangles over here. So I can say that in the triangle AOD and the triangle BOC, it is already given to us that angle A is equal to the angle B, because we can see all by ourselves that in this figure they are actually perpendicular, because each are 90 degrees. So angle A is equal to the angle B. It is a given condition to us. It is given in the question. Now furthermore, in the question we know that the BC and the AD side are actually is equal to each other. So what we can say, AD is nothing but is equal to BC. It is already a given condition to us. And furthermore, we can say that the angle AOD is equal to the angle BOC. Why so? Because they are nothing but the vertically opposite angle. They are vertically opposite angles. We can see over here that they are forming vertically opposite angles. So from these three things that we have, angle A is equal to angle B, we have this angle is equal to this angle, we have this side is equal to this side. So what can we say about these two triangles? That the triangle AOD is actually congruent to the triangle BOC by AAS congruence rule, angle side congruence rule. We can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other, and if these two triangles are congruent to each other, then OA is definitely is equal to OB by CPCT. Means we have the corresponding sides of the two triangles should also be equal to each other. So by CPCT we can say that OA is nothing but is equal to OB, and if OA is equal to OB, it definitely implies that O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AB, which implies that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB because CD is actually intersecting AB at the particular point O. So if O is the midpoint and CD is passing through this point O, so it definitely implies CD bisects AB, and hence this is nothing but the solution set for this particular question. So this is all about the question number 2.